With the great support from British Academy, today we've organised a workshop that's looking at how do we open up methods for infrastructure research to non-academic partners, and that will include anything from national level government to local authorities, different industrial organisations, NGOs and users. This is a very important topic. We need to open up methods that we're using for research because we strongly believe that the methods that we use define how do we engage with policy making, how decision making makes use of the research that we produce, and ultimately what the value of our infrastructure research is, not only to academia but to the real world. Today we had support from two key non-academic stakeholders. This is the British Parking Association. We've been working with them for several months now, and Brighton and Hove City Council. What they did today is they used two real cases that they've been working on around mobility as a service and heating in order to help us to experiment with ways in which we can usefully open up methods for infrastructure research. Please watch the videos, see the live cartography capture and the PowerPoint presentations, and most of all, think about how would opening up methods for research in infrastructure can add value to your work, irrelevant where you're based, in an academic institution, in society, or working in an industry or government setting. Thank you very much.